before us, and we savor the victories that came upon us. To our distinguished schools division, Superintendent Dr. Lorenzo O. Macasocol, represented by Ma'am Yasel E. Galvez, Senior Education Program Specialist. Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Berna E. Mozo, school heads of the different schools of Baruco 1 District, guest speaker, Ma'am Metham T. Havana. GPTA officials who are with us today, the teaching force of Barbu Townside Elementary School, headed by Sir Bernard U. Argos, guests and visitors, fellow graduates, and to our dear parents. A lovely and pleasant morning to all of you. Standing here in front of everybody, have this feeling of pride and happiness, because I have proven to myself that I can be the best of what I am if I will strive hard and have a sense of determination and perseverance. I am also happy because all my sacrifices and selfless services were well paid off together with my fellow graduates. This is a milestone for us grade 6 students as we end the journey of our elementary years and start high school. The 6 years we spent in the elementary school have left us a lot of memories, both bad and good. We have gained friendships from our classmates and schoolmates. We have learned and grown from, we have obtained love and guidance from our parents and teachers. And most of all, we have learned and grown from our academic works in the classroom. This is the day for us to be extremely thankful for them, for they are the reasons behind our victory. To our beloved parents, walang katapusang pasasalamat po ang aming handog sa inyo sa lahat ng sakripisyo at suportang ibinibigay ninyo sa amin. Sa paghahanda ng pagkain, paglalaba, pagbibigay ng baon sa araw-araw, at sa pagmamahal na aming natanggap mula sa inyo. Pagkaasahan niyo po na mas lalo pa namin pagbubutihin ang aming nasimulang gawain. To our teachers, we are forever grateful for all the sacrifices and selfless services you have given us. The knowledge and skills you have taught us will be treasured and remembered forever in facing the world with head up high. Thank you very much for the opportunities you have given us to develop our full potentials and abilities. We promise to do better in the next stage of this education. To our friends and schoolmates, we are about to part ways to find the right track that lies ahead. We will forever cherish the memories, both laughter and pain we shared together. Magkaiba man ang daan na ating tatahakin, alam ko ang bawat isa sa atin ay isa ang gustong marating ang makamit ang isang magandang bukas na siyang pangarap din ng ating mga magulang at ng ating mga guro. Let's do this batch 2024. To our dear Baruco Townside Elementary School, thank you very much for carrying us for 6 long years. Now that we are leaving you, we cannot help but to carry with us the victories we have with you. The class of 2024 will leave you a legacy which will forever be etched in your history as an institution of basic education. The 71 graduates are proud to say that we are from Baruco Townside Elementary School. To all of you who in one way or the other helped us become what we are now, our heartfelt gratitude. Above all, the Almighty Father for the gift of life, the wisdom and expertise you have bestowed upon us. We pray earnestly that you continue to guide us as we follow the directions towards the attainment of our dreams. As we seal this unforgettable chapter of our academic life, allow me to congratulate all of us for all the accomplishments we have obtained out of our daily undertakings in school. Our victory is also our school and family's success. Let us always be reminded that our education is a gift and we should never take it for granted. Let us use it as blessings to others. you, and may the Lord bless our future academic life.